Hello. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Signal account properly. You might want to delete Signal application because you are fed up of it, or your WhatsApp privacy issues are resolved, or your friends probably are not using Signal application anymore. So yeah, to delete your account properly, follow these steps. Open your Signal application. Go to the settings of this application. When settings are open, you have to look for the advanced setting in it. That is your second last option probably. When your advanced settings are open, you will see the option of delete account. If you want to delete your Signal account properly and completely, you have to go to delete the account option. When you go to this option, first you have to select the country in which you belong to. When you select the country, you will see that the country code is added automatically. Now you have to enter your phone number. When you enter your phone number, you have to select the delete account option. When you go to the delete account option, your account will be deleted permanently. Select the delete account. So yeah, now your Signal account is deleted. If you open your Signal application again, you will see that your account is no more in your Signal application. You have to create your account again to access your Signal application. So that's how you can delete your Signal account. Thank you.